What do you tell Uncle Jimmy?
Thank you, Uncle Jimmy.
Do you like it?
Yeah.
Alyssa, what do you think about what Uncle Jimmy gave you? Do you like it?
Yeah.
Is it one of your favorites? What do you tell Uncle Jimmy?
Thank you, Uncle Jimmy.
Connor. Look, do you like your sword?
Yeah.
What kind of sword is it?
Minecraft.
Alright, did you tell Uncle Jimmy thank you?
Thank you, Uncle Jimmy. I think I can almost reach the top.
Mia's over here playing with her gift from Grandma and Grandpa. She likes it.
Yeah.